Yo, what's up, guys? How are you all? Welcome back to another video. So guys, today we are going to do this podcast on my game Hello Neighbor. Oh, not Hello Neighbor. Sorry, Roblox.
More.
In Roblox, that's not my Robloxian neighbor. So guys,
Robloxian neighbor, or that's not my Robloxian?
neighbor 2.
Yeah.
So guys, this is my brother named Zanu and Cuckoo.
Thanks. Yes, Cuckoo.
Guys, see this one meme. My brother is so dumb. He has 21 IQ. When he smiles, so he looks like a King Kong.
Now let me come. My brother so dumb, IQ 21. He tried to make friends, but they call him Ching Chong.
He's a Ching Chong.
Yeah.
He's a real Ching Chong. He's a real,
Okay, let's
real
continue.
Ching Chong.
Okay, fine. Let's continue. So, you play like yesterday.
Yeah.
I saw your video. You played
Guys,
Robloxian
guys,
neighbor.
listen. Guys, listen, listen. He doesn't even know what is the game.
Cause I don't play Roblox that much.
Yeah, I told you he's a noob at the game.
But yeah, he also don't know how I play in other games.
Guys-
Well, however, it is a cool game. Like I saw that is the Robloxian version.
Yeah.
Which is its original
Okay, can I
version.
tell the information about the game? Means the things about the game. Can I tell?
Continue.
Okay, so guys, first of all, when you start playing the original game, I can tell you about original and Roblox game. Let me tell you about the original game. In the original game, which is people name, those are changed from the game. And guys, in that game, while I was playing, I just saw Creekcraft. Bro, that Creekcraft, you saw that in my video? That Creekcraft game.
Yeah.
That is so amazing.
so
I was
amazing.
like, bro, where did Creekcraft came from?
He came from his home.
No, he came from his brain.
He doesn't have a brain. Like he have IQ 21.
He's IQ 0.
Okay. Also, it is so awesome. Like when I saw it. Normally in the original game, it's DDD. In this one, it's CAT.
Cat. He's a cat.
He is true. So in this, which is the other game? In that, I guess the calling number is
I know. 1232.
1232. Okay. In this one, it's 1188. Like game is awesome in this.
Yeah,
the doppelgangers.
guys.
Doppelgangers.
Listen, we are a guard. Listen, we are guarding the game. We are checker, means guard checker, who means we are in a building. We check the people who are doppelgangers. Doppelgangers means who are not like a human. They want to kill the neighbors.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, first you have to check their ID card, things, every single information you have to get. If something is wrong, so send him. So there's a button danger. Press that, then call 1188. So then the police will come. Means the DD or DDD.
Which is CAT officers, they'll come and
Excuse me, it's not
apply.
CID.
It's CAT. I said
But-
CAT. They'll apply, their
Not
protocol to
CIT.
clear murder.
Guys, it is a CIT. It's CID.
It's CAT. And it's so awesome. Like there are doppelgangers in it. Now there is also the nightmare mode. I
Yeah,
heard.
in which are doppelgangers. Those are normal humans, and which are real doppelgangers. They are more powerful. And guys, the Peach Man, he is normal, but sometimes once I also started a little bit. I said, I am scared.
If you're scared, so then don't play. Easy. Simple answer.
Not nightmare, guys. This is my first episode on that game. I'll make another one in which I'll play nightmare mode. Next
Yeah.
episode is gonna be on that, and nightmare mode is gonna be very cool. Like, see, if we get a wrong thing, the player will get like it's. See,
Wasn't that until 2-1?
no, 1 minute. Guys, see, from here he comes. From here, like it. It comes.
Okay, there's also multiplayer mode in it.
Yeah, in that we can play with many more people.
Yeah, like there are more
There's
people.
also a pen in which Mr. Beast, many people like that, Techno Gamers, Mr. Beast, like that type of people. Not
What?
Techno Gamers, Mr. Beast and Creekcraft and many more.
Like
Oh,
you know, which are the VIP persons? They are in it.
Like the higher
but
box.
that is of Robux. You need to buy penthouse.
We don't have any single Robux. We have 0 Robux.
More.
More.
Literally, multiplayer. I guess in that there's option that you can also become the guard and also the person, so that you can come and give him everything. And if there's something wrong, you sometimes just like you can say Among Us. In that, if you are right, otherwise imposter. So just like that, we will be sometimes doppelgangers. Sometimes we will be normal person. I think something like
Yeah.
this probably.
Actually, doppelgangers come from Mars or Moon because they're aliens.
Like literally
They're
that's so.
aliens, guys. They're not any doppelganger. They're aliens.
They're
And
gangs. They are from gangs. Doppelgangers.
Yeah, they're from a gang.
Jupiter gang, Mars gang, Venus gang, Mercury gang, gang, bang, bang.
And sometimes this crazy people come that we don't need to do anything. We don't need to do any single thing. Just do danger. Done.
Danger?
Yeah.
Like, but
This is like that. You remember there is one guy, Careless. He did his part 3 in that. He got also that Peachman and also that brain guy who only has brain, no any face.
oh gosh.
And also there's an achievement of Peach. In that Peachman we need to get. And
Okay.
Albert Flamingo. It's a very funny name, right guys? It's
Like
Albert.
him?
Magic.
This is called magic.
Literally,
Literally, like if we play it, it's so awesome, and you need to even
Guys,
call
if we
at
play
their
for-
home. You need to check the parents. You need to call at their home. Not parents. A parents. You need to check a
and
parent.
also one more thing. There's a sign on which there's the date, the expired date.
Okay, yeah, the expiry date. So, like on your normal ID card, you can see the expiry date after ID card won't work anymore.
In the game, there was September 2012 when my brother was born.
No, I was born in October. That was 2 months ago. 1 month ago, sorry. Yeah.
Yeah. And I
Literally.
was born in 2016.
16er. Literally. Like in that, sometimes the person
Guys,
plays will
listen,
feel
listen.
scared.
Guys, listen. Yeah. He is in 2012 he born. I born in 2016. He's 12 years old. I'm 16 years old.
Wow. What a joke. What a joke.
Yeah.
Literally, according to that, like sometimes when a person played, he also feels scared. And especially there's one person in the what do you call the game. That's not my name, but the actual one. And he is a crazy homeless person. He is just like he asks you a few questions, but it doesn't
Yeah.
have the exactly relevant answers. you know?
Yeah. But guys, I told you about the Kailash guy. He searched from Google and done it.
But still it won't work because it doesn't have like for some
Excuse me?
for some astronaut
Kailash-
answer that's pirate. Like what?
Kailash have completed that and he have got the band and he have got the bandage, that band of golden band of the homeless
Not
guy.
band, golden badge of the homeless person.
Yeah.
Band.
Wow. I have a band on my hand.
Single. Well, mostly like he played single player and single player.
Yeah.
Literally like when we play single player, we are a guard, and in the guard we need to let the actual person in, and we need to find the doppelgangers to throw him out. Like
No.
kill him. After
Not
calling
kill him.
the COD.
Not kill him. Kick him back to his universe.
Probably that's not possible. Just his soul can go there back.
Yeah. His soul can go there back. Really, how they do? Like in the Spider-Man movie, Spider-Man No Way Home. In the Spider-Man No Way Home, which was Doctor Strange. Spider-Man, Doctor Strange did like this, like that also. They also hit his soul. His soul goes there.
Okay, so you have played it. So do you know some more about it?
Yep, I know a lot. When you get dead, so if you let many doppelgangers in and many neighbors kill, you get an F minus. And
Which is also an achievement, I guess.
yeah, and also this achievement of A plus.
A plus, yeah, that is very easy because in that you just need to, in level 1 find the doppelgangers and throw them out.
Yeah,
that is
throw them
easy.
out.
That is kind of, you can say, the first achievement.
And also there's one more achievement in which you need to get A plus, but after that again A plus, then F minus. You'll get an achievement.
That is called Cuckoo's achievement.
There's one more achievement there is.
Because all which
There's
are the
one
first
more achievement which I told
those
you
are why
about.
after the last achievement belongs to him. I take the sport of him. The last one I give him. See, this is my style for being a big brother. F minus for him, all A pluses for me. I'm a good brother. You just try to fake cry. Literally. Okay. So okay guys, for today this much.
Yes. So guys, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel right now.
And also watch his video of the what do you call it? That's not my Roblox simulator. And
This
also
is- This is my brother's channel name, Zonu Khan Vlog, and I'm Cuckoo Khan Vlog. Subscribe to both channels. Goodbye.
Goodbye.